Hello, good afternoon everyone. How you doing today? Welcome back to Alan channel. Today we're gonna make a spaghetti aglio olio. And there you go, we already prepared for the aglio olio. We have spaghetti. Spaghetti pasta is about 250 grams. And we prepare also the garlic. There are around 8 to 9 cloves of garlic and the shallot 2 until 3 shallot. We also prepare the salt. It's 1 teaspoon of salt. We here ready also 3 pieces of sausage. And I prepare here for 1 tablespoon of chili flakes or chili powder. Here 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes and half teaspoon of granulated mushroom bouillon. And then we squish the garlic. All the garlic here we're gonna squish. To make easy, we just using the squeezer of the garlic. Done with the garlic, we're gonna continue to slice the shallot. And then we transfer together with the garlic. The next step, I'm gonna cut the sausage here. The shape of the cut of the sausage is depend on you, like the tiny slice or you like the long. Depend of you like which one you like, chicken or beef. It's depend on you. And after this, I'm gonna prepare for the hot pan, and then we're gonna start to fry. And then we prepare for the boiling water. We put some salt inside the boiling water. And then we put spaghetti or spaghetti here in the boiling water. And we're gonna cook for about 5 to 10 minutes for this. And don't forget we put some vegetable oil. It's about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And we're gonna mix it. Why we put oil inside the pasta? To make sure that the spaghetti is not stick each other inside here whenever we're gonna drain it. Alright, it's finished, and then we're gonna start to slice the ingredients. And then the next step, I fried the white onion. I fried until coming the golden brown. After getting the color golden brown, and then I put the shallot. And then I put the sausage. I stir for a couple minutes. And after that, I put all the spaghetti. I add water. It's about 50 milliliter to 100 milliliter of water to make sure that the spaghetti is not dry. and we got the flavor of the garlic, fried garlic ready. After that, I put the granulated mushroom, and the chili flakes or chili powder. And then I put the parsley flakes. It was like 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes for this. And then you guys can put the grated Parmesan cheese or any kind of cheese you like. Usually I use cheddar cheese for this or Parmesan cheese. So depends the cheese you like, depends how much it was, like 2 tablespoons of cheese, cheddar cheese or Parmesan cheese. We just stir it to make sure all the cheese is all combined. Alright, I think it's enough. Alright, it's finished and I'm gonna transfer to the serving plate. Okay, and there you go on the spaghetti Aglio Olio. Spaghetti is ready. You put in the serving plate like this one, make it sure it's nice presentation. And then the last presentation, I put the grated of cheese to make more nice. And then ready. There you go, spaghetti Aglio Olio is ready and ready to be enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.